Hello everyone and welcome to Dynamic Motors. We're located in 1945 Sunset Point Road, Clearwater, Florida. And today we will show you this 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. And the unique thing about it is that the car has only 68,000 miles. It's a four-wheel drive. It's in really nice condition. Everything seems to be working properly. So I'll do a walk around. I'll show the cosmetics of the outside, inside. We'll start the engine and hopefully we'll find a new owner soon. So this thing is not gonna sit long. It's a very rare piece, a unicorn, 2005 with 68,000 miles. It's a 5.7 Hemi engine. Has nice chrome wheels, step bars, scooped hood, and a beautiful yellow color with the black cloth interior. So we'll go check everything out on the outside, show you the paint condition. There's a very light ding on the driver door. You can probably remove it with the paintless dental removal. So you can barely even see it. And one more on the back one, and one little scuff here. Okay, that's the driver's side. Back bumper, little scuff of paint, dirt. Then here on the tailgate, a little scratch. But it has a Rhino liner. Seems clean. Passenger side. Looks clean, and both doors looks clean, so I don't see any dents. Okay, fender looks clear, hood is clean, free of any dents or scratches. Bottom of the front bumper you see a small crack, probably a $100 fix. Doesn't seem to be a problem. Okay, let's take a look inside. Nice, clean. No rips, no burn holes, smoke free. Very nice and clean. Sits. I'll show the passenger side. Okay. Nice and clean. Right. Nice and clean. Same as here. Really clean truck. So let's start this up. Okay. 68,702 original miles. Okay. Check engine lights, no airbag lights. The gauges working properly. Radio works. Really nice truck. I'll show the hood. Okay. .7 Hemi, and oil seems to be clean. Okay. Give us a call with any questions, or just visit the website www.dynamicmotorsflorida.com, and we can ship the car for you, or you can come pick it up in person and check for any other trucks you might like here.